Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert BNB to USDT in Binance. And by the way, if you haven't signed up for a Binance account yet, or even if you have, you can go ahead and click on the link below in the description or in the comments for you to be able to earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Also, it will help support the channel. Now going back, first up, open up your Binance app or the Binance web, then go ahead over to trade, okay? Once you're on the trade section, just go to the top, swipe left and find convert. Tap on it. Now in here, what you'll do is you're going to want to tap on from, okay? Tap on this drop down and then you would want to select a BNB from here. Okay, there you go. Just tap on BNB and then right here, just tap on the drop down and select USDT. There you go. And then once that's done, you're going to want to enter the amount of BNB that you wanted to convert to USDT. For example, 1 BNB. Okay, it will be converted right here with this amount of USDT. Now, once that's done, just tap on preview. And in here, make sure that you have sufficient balance. And then once that's done, you'll have the convert function in here or continue, follow simple prompts. And after that, you're good to go. All right, you'll now be able to go to your assets right here and check your USDT balance. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.